Well, this is Saturday. Wala akong makitang changes. I didn't touch anything yet. Dahil nakashoes pa ako. See, kararating ko lang. Pero ito ang tsinelas na arrangement ang nagbago. See? Hindi naayos yung tsinelas. Inayos ko yan kagabi. Kahapon ng mabuti because I'm documenting. But anyway, pagdating ko, ayan, hindi nakaayos. But it's okay. At least hindi nakakatakot. Hindi naman ang aano. Okay, Saturday, June 1. 1 point documented. Mumu.